So this is what hotel life is like. You know, you just got to do what suits, I reckon. Some saveloys in the jug. This is what you do. You see the hotel jug. Warm them babies up. Shouldn't take too long. Just got to bring them babies to the boil. Starting to bubble away nicely. Shouldn't be too long, just bring them to the boil. Nice. Pop that down. Put a bit more heat into it. Looking good. Looking good. The water's starting to boil now. Smell them. Pop the lid down. No one will ever know that I bought some saveloys in the hotel jug. Look at that. Getting there, getting ready. Open her up, have a look. Oh, look at that. Freshly cooked saveloys. Look at that. Yummo. So that's a travel hack, guys. That's how you cook your dinner when there's not a stove in a hotel. Look at that. See ya.